Does the AC in your Q50 only blow the correct temperature of air on only one side of the car at a time? Likely, you have a faulty blend door actuator, and today, we're going to fix it. To complete the job, all you'll need is a new blend door actuator, which is linked below, a stubby Phillips head screwdriver, and a small ratchet with an 8mm extension. The actuator can be accessed by going under the driver's side dash near the gas pedal and removing the metal bracket seen here by taking out one 8mm bolt. Now that the bolt is removed, to allow even easier access, you can unplug the gas pedal and rotate the bracket assembly up and out of the way. That will allow better access to the two Phillips screws located at the bottom here and at the top corner here on the actuator. Once removed, unplug the white plug on top and pull the old actuator out. When installing the new actuator, ensure you align the white square bracket on the back of the actuator with the indented white square on the assembly. This will allow the actuator to properly rotate the assembly to allow the correct temp level to come out of your vent. Now, as you see, I removed the floor vent to get a better view for you, but it isn't necessary for the replacement. Once installed, reverse the removal steps and give the AC a test run. With the car running and the temperature set to 65 degrees, we finally have cool air coming out of both sides of the system. So again, if your AC or heat is not functioning on both sides of the car, the actuator is likely the culprit. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you on the next one.